put some music on.
Name Xena the Witch was arrested Wednesday.
Oh no. There we go. What's up, everybody? Gonna stream math again. Haven't streamed all day because I was out. But yeah, I think I need to make a better thumbnail. I do like the thumbnail I have, but I could make a better one. Let's see. Here we go. Alright, we're on Khan Academy, everybody. Yeah. You know what's surprising about me? Or surprising about this, rather? I saw a YouTube short about the history of Khan Academy, and they were backed up by a lot of big companies. Even Bill Gates invested in them as well, supposedly. So I'm actually quite surprised that they need donations. However, they can always use more money. You know, it takes a team to make these videos. So yeah, if you guys want to donate, if you visit Khan Academy, it's right at the top of the page. Alright, back at it again with math. When I last took off, when I was last here, I was level 31. And yeah, we're gonna do 5th grade math now. I think I could just hit this right. Okay, that's cool. I need to take, I want to get to proficient on as many of these as possible, and then just take the unit test at the end of each unit so I could get mastery. I think that's what the... Hey, what's up, Jordan? Thanks for stopping by, man. Dang, bro, we're both up pretty late. Yeah. Thanks for joining me today, bro. Do you want to be a mod? Hold on, if I know how to make... Yeah, shout out Jordan, thanks for joining the stream, bro. I was like, oh, I have 1 viewer already. That's crazy. So yeah, man, usually in these streams don't have too many people checking it out, but you know what, I'm doing this for those friends of mine who want to further their education. Yeah, last time I took off, I finished 4th grade math. Now moving on to 5th grade. It was pretty simple to... It's pretty simple, but yeah, there definitely are more difficult questions here. A lot more reading needs to be done in order for me to complete the problems. But yeah, here we go. We're gonna see. I have chat pulled up on the side, so if you guys say anything, I'll try to read it. So. And for these, if I know the topic already, I don't watch the lesson is a thing. So if I'm like, okay, I know how to do like addition and counting, so I totally skip the videos for that. All right, let's, okay, Scienzu says that the baby elephant is 200 pounds. What's the actual weight rounded? It could be these two. Which of the following amounts rounded to 249 if we're rounding to the nearest dollar? This one and this one. Answer the 2 questions about the number 52.81 below. Each point is at 52.81. So probably A. 53. Which two? Oh, you know what? Yesterday, let me see how this looks. Yesterday I learned I could collapse this left column and then zoom in slightly. There we go. There we go. That's a lot better. I just learned that yesterday. I've been streaming for like a week now. But yeah, I'm slowly but surely I'm learning more and more tricks of the trade. So yeah. Which of the following numbers round to 752.3 if we're rounding to the nearest tenth? This one and this one. This one goes to 752.4. That's definitely not the answer. Emma says the length of her favorite movie is 120 minutes, but she has rounded to the nearest 10. Which could be the number of minutes of Emma's favorite movie before she rounded it. Could be this one. It could be this one. Alright, we're gonna do that. Oh, you know what? Before I do this, I don't want to do the unit test just yet. I want to... Yeah, there we go. Okay. I want to do this one. 6.71. 61. 5/10. No. This is the only one that's going to work. Okay, this one is 8. 49/100. There we go. If for some reason you guys want me to redo or revamp or go over any type of problem, just let me know. What's another way to make 1.83? 1. Let's see. 6/10. This one. Okay, now I can do the unit test. Alright, Grace is drawing a picture book about a shrinking monster. 0.6. Grace is drawing a picture about a shrinking monster. She uses the table to record the size of the monster in several of her drawings. Sleeping. Picnic. What is the value? 80. Which of the following distances round to 4 meters if we're rounding to the nearest meter? This one and this one. 2.98. One. That one. Amber put gasoline into her car. She wrote down that she added 56.78 liters of gas, but she rounded the amount to the nearest hundredth. Hey, I got 2 concurrent viewers. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. If I could ever do 5th grade math ever again, lol. Yeah. Yeah, man. You know what? If you want to, try Khan Academy, Jordan. Yeah. There's lessons. I skipped all of the lessons, actually. But I'm like, you know, I kind of remember how to do that. And you know what? I remember you and I took calculus back in the day. And this is definitely doable. Maybe when I get closer to like 9th or 10th grade, maybe those might be a little more challenging. But yeah, man, it's like a lot of simple concepts that, you know, we probably don't use as adults anymore. But I mean, some of them we definitely do. Like for example, I'm doing rounding right now. Yeah, I mean, I definitely know sometimes we round things. So yeah. Okay, she wrote down she added 56.78 liters of gas, but she rounded the amount of to the nearest hundredth, which could be, okay, that's 7/9. This one and this one. Order least to greatest. Okay, that's the greatest. There we go. What is the value of 8? That's thousandths. Thousandths. Gotta watch the vocabulary sometimes. What is a round to the nearest whole number? 29. 29. It's 30. What point on the number line represents 0.084? C. Match the number form and decimal form that describe the same number. 5 3/100, 53 tenths, 53. Which expression is the same as 57.152? Dang, I got 3 viewers today? Oh my goodness, thanks for joining us. Oh my god, it's a party in here. Which expression is the same as 57.142? Okay, we have... Okay, it's not this one because this is like 120. It could be this one. Oh god, let me zoom out just a little bit. There you go. Zoom in. No, okay, zoom out. There you go. Zoom in. Oh no. I mean, I can't see the whole answers. Okay. Okay, it's not A. Could it be B? Maybe. 1. Alright, it's C. There we go. And I hit mastery. Woohoo! I don't know if I have to. So the goal I'm trying to get is to get to level 100. And I don't know if I need to hit mastery for those, but I feel better knowing that I hit mastery for them. So yeah. Oh, I don't need to do this. Hold on, let's go back. At this rate, by the end of October, I'm hoping to have reached level 100, but that's assuming I go at the same rate that I've been going. Okay, let's just do these in order. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna murder at these. Find the sum of it's 0.91. So it's like 50 plus 60. 0.8. Oh my god. So in 7th grade, I went to I'm not gonna say the name of the middle school, but I had a really great teacher, and she made us memorize simplified fractions backward, the most common simple fractions to decimals, and then back, and then decimals and their fractional equivalents. Also major squares and major square roots of like 1 to 10. I don't remember those, but I definitely remember the decimals and what else? And the fractions part. So yeah, that's why I could do this part easily. Let's go. 49.78. 49.78. 63.8. 94.73. 65. 66.1. I'm gonna just stream for like an hour today because I have to get up at like 8 tomorrow and then leave the house by 9. 48.98. 48.98. Unit test again. 77.54. 50, 70. So 31 plus 4. Add 73, 83.5. Oh, you know what? I want to see if anyone else is going to join. I'm going to mute. 1 second, guys. Just going to invite some people. just got like 45 more minutes. Okay, just invited some people. Back at it again. Let's see, 14.88. 1/2. What's so 0.6 and 0.2? That's 0.6, 0.2. It's 0.5, 0.2. That's 0.6, 0.3. We gotta be careful. Add 88.888. That's 50 plus 58. Let's go 50 plus 58, 108. Alright, that was pretty easy. Subtracting decimals. I want to get to I always want to get straight to the quiz. 0.26. 40 minus 8 is like 32. 0.5. This is estimate. 36 minus 8 is 28. And this is 0.19. Alright, let's move on to the next quiz. 6.8. Let's see. 40. 44.27. Dang. Oh. Damn it. 43 point. I actually have to do math now. 20.37 0 10 3 0. Oh, dang. I don't want to use a calculator because. So this is 37. 43.73. Oh, I actually got one wrong. This is 55.2. This is 49.31. 83.4. I gotta do that again. Oh, that was bad. That was really bad. I hate like how you get one wrong, it punishes you super hard. Thanks for your encouragement though, Jordan. I appreciate you, man. 27. 47. 27.6. Okay, 12.8. So 4 minus 0.76. That's gonna be 3.24. Let's see, 13. 2.1. Oh. Mistype. This is random, but I'm taqueria. I could use your Spanish expertise. All right, yeah. What do you want to know? Yeah, what words do you want to know, bro? You could text me. Hold on. Yo, what? Oh, bro, what words you want to know? Oh my god. You're so funny, Jordan. 6.47. ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? All right, there you go, Jordan. Dude, that was an easy one. Give me a harder one, Jordan. 72.22. So, everybody watching, Jordan's the homie from high school, and he has my. I'm texting him right now. So, he is at a taqueria. Dude, Jordan, that was an easy question, bro. You gotta hit me. You gotta hit me harder. What you gotta get me a harder question, man. That was too easy. If there's a I want to see if they have Spanish. Oh man, I gotta do that again. Let's see, Khan Academy. Didn't mean to appreciate. Nah, you good, bro. Nah, you good. Nah, you good, man. He's like, oh, I didn't mean to interrupt your stream. Nah, you good, Jordan. You good, man. Spanish? Yo, that's crazy. They don't have other languages. I think... Oh, man. I think Khan Academy would kill it if they started teaching languages. But that's a very tricky thing in itself, because now you're introducing like 4 skills. You have, I don't know how they would evaluate speaking, because that would be probably that'd probably be the tougher thing to evaluate. You can evaluate writing, you can evaluate reading, you can even evaluate listening, but I don't know how they would evaluate speaking is the thing. So okay, here we go. 72. 46.5. Oh my god. Oh, I can't. This is 49.3. 39. Let's see. 81.28. 52. 51.7. 6.21. Oh, no. Dang. I'm sucking ass tonight. Hold on. So 48. That makes 8. 8.21. I gotta do that one more time. Okay. We got 23, so 22.85. We got 52 and then 51.7. You got 35 and then 31. We got 79, 69, 68, 1. We got 9, 8 point 8.89. Oh, thank God. All right. Okay, let's do this unit test. Estimate, so that's 36 minus 8. Subtract. We got 88. And then 87.77. Damn it. Oh. Oh, that's not even the answer. 7.53. 2, 10, 7, 4, 12, 7, 94. Oh, 87.77. Dang. That's tough. Alright. Trying not to get these wrong. 62. Alright, 46. Then 45.7. 45 minus 32. 6.2. We got 43. 43, then 35.27. Nice. Hey, nice, bro. Nice, bro. Looks good. Dang, Jordan just got some good tacos. Good looking tacos. Looks like he got carne asada. No, he got that's not carne asada. Looks like al pastor. And then he got the red salsa on top with the onion, cilantro, and limes. Good on you, Jordan, for getting cilantro. I know a lot of people don't like cilantro. But yeah, some people think it tastes like soap. I think it tastes just fine. I just had some this evening. So, how'd I get 2 wrong already? Anyways, 6. 5.2. Dang. Six 6.8. 72.13. 97 minus 5. 97 minus 5. Alright, gotta do this one more time. Try it again. Oh, at least I didn't go down. 15.4. That's 46 minus 7, which is 39. This is 11.4. This is 0.6. This is, let's see. 8, 18, 17.8. There we go. 88. I'm gonna do this by hand. 7.53. 7, 4, 12. Oh, 7. 87. 7. 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 6.02. 6.2. 35. There we go. Okay, 5th grade decimal's done. What are these? Equivalent expressions. Okay, I think I got this. Avril had 5/8 liter of milk before making pancakes. After pancakes, she had the amounts of milk Avril had for the pancakes. One fraction is about what? Which, like the statement true about the amounts of milk Avril had. Both fractions are almost one whole. No. One fraction is about half. It's less than half. Yeah. Subtract. So that's half. So it's 4. Yeah. Good. Which equation shows how to use equivalent fractions to evaluate 4/5 minus 2/3 equals. Well, we're gonna look for 15. There's 3. Then times 5. This one. Determine the reasonable estimate for the amount of flour and sugar combined. Easton mixed 3/2 kilogram of flour with 1/6 kilogram of sugar. So 3. This one. It's a lot of flour. Subtract. This is gonna be 7 minus 6. It's 1/14. There we go. Yo, Jordan, if you're here, you know, I was thinking about doing a fluiding video. Kind of like the one you did in your backyard. But we'll see. Oh my god. Let's see. Common denominator is 12, so everything over 12. This times 2, so 10 plus 9 plus 8. 1727 over 12. That's 2 1/4. 2 1/4. What's the most common denominator? 18? So everything over 18. Times 9, 27. Times 3, 15. Times 2, 4. Altogether 19 plus 27, 36. Wait, 19, 36, 46. That's right, right? Wait. 32, 42, 46 18ths. Which could be 23 over 9. Just do that. Oh my god, you shitting me? Let's do this again. Okay, 18. 18. 3 times 9 is 27. Plus 15. Oh, it's minus. Oh my god. Why did I put plus? It's 4. That's 14, 10 over. So 5 nines. Jeez, what? Hold on. 27, 10. Am I tripping? Okay, hold on. Let's start over. So this is gonna be, so everything's over 18. This is gonna be 27 minus 5 times 3. It's 15 minus 4. Which means 14 minus 4. Which means 10. Well, I'm tripping. 3 times 9. 15 times 2. Five nines. Am I tripping? Hold on. $27, 15. Oh, what? 27. Do the fluid video. 12. Oh. Oh, 12. Oh, shoot. Can't do simple. 12. 8 tens. Oh. 8 eighteenths. 4 nines. Dang, I don't know why that was so hard for me. Okay. So this could also be 2 tenths. I realized I'm 3 minutes behind the life because I was ordering food. Oh, you're good, bro. Dude, just skip to oh, just skip to the live, bro. You're good. Oops. 5, so half. Think about half. Okay, common denominator 12 again. We got 6 plus 4 plus 10, 20 over 12. So 20 over 12. 20 over 12, which can also mean 1 and 2 2/3. 2/3. Got it. This is 4, so 3. I'm doing that again. That was kind of pathetic. Dang, I didn't get. Oh my god. You good, Jordan? It's all good, man. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 again. Isn't this the same? It's addition. Okay, this is 6. 6 plus 7 minus 5. 13, 8. So 4/5. Okay, common denominator 12. So 12, this is 9. This is 4 plus equals, so what plus, okay, 5 12ths. Common denominator here is 8, so 7 minus 2 minus 4 5 1/8. Oh, I gotta do that again. I need to get to mastery. Oh, isn't this the same thing? Okay, common denominator here is 12. So 9 plus 2 minus 8. 11, 3 1/4. 5 minus what is 3, 2. Common denominator is 16. So times 8, 24, 23/16. Common denominator is 10 plus minus. So we got 5, 7. Did I just do this one? That's 6. 13 minus 5 is 8 or 4/5. There we go. Okay. Gotta do add and subtract fractions. Let's go. Okay, we got mixed numbers this time. So common denominator, this is also 3 and 6/8. So 2. So 2, so it's gonna be 1 and 11 5/8. 1 and 5/8. 1 and 5/8. Yeah, okay. Hiba ate 1/12 of a box of cereal. Now the box is a third full. What's the fraction before she ate? That's a lot of cereal. So this is gonna be 9 12ths, 10 12ths, or 5/6. Add these. 11. Oh. Common denominator is 12, so this is gonna be 8. 12. This is gonna be 3 plus 3 and 10. 10 12ths. 13. 12 and 1/12. Sylvia is growing trees and studying their heights. Her data is shown below. What's the difference between the heights of the birch and spruce trees? So you got birch and spruce right here. This is also 3 and 2/8. And then this is 2 and 7/8. It's 3/8. Add common denominator is 24. 5, 20. This is gonna be 24. This is 21 plus 1 and 8 over 24. This is gonna be 29. So 7 and 5/24. 7 5/24. Right. Unit test time. Here we go. Alright, so here we go. Farmer George is painting 3 chicken coops. He started painting it this morning. Now he only has 1 3/4 of a chicken coop left to paint this afternoon. How many chicken coops did Farmer George paint this morning? 1 1/4. Look at this below. What fraction makes this equation true? Common denominator is 12. So 4 12ths over 9 12ths. 5 12ths. Liz ran 4/5 kilometer on Monday, and 5/6 kilometer on Tuesday. Both fractions are almost the whole, yep. What expression can be used to subtract 2/5 minus 3/10? I'm thinking 4/10 minus 3/10. This one. And okay, common denominator is 24 again. I just did this one, but I did not memorize the answer. 24, 1 and 5. So here we go. 31. So 7 and 5/24. 7 and 5/24. Subtract. Common denominator is 15. Let's see. So that means 10 over 15 minus what is this? 9 over 15. 1/15. That's 1/15, right? 1/15. What expression? Common denominator is 9. This could be 6. 6 9ths minus 4 9ths. 2 lions, Fluffy and Fireball, met at the zoo. Fluffy's tail is 1/3 of a meter long. Fireball's tail is 1/4 of a meter long. How much longer is... So this is 3/12. This is 4/12. 1/12. I left that. Okay. Common denominator here is 15. So we got 7. 15. 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 5. 15. 10/15. So subtracting the whole numbers first, we got 2. But gotta carry it, so it's gonna be 1. And this is gonna be 21 minus 10. That's 11/15. 11/15. So 1 and 11/15. 1 and 11. Oops, not 10. 1 and 11/15. Okay, this is 4 minus 1, which is 3, which is a half. Booyah, there we go. That's how we get mastery. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, unit 5, what are these? Multi-digit multiplication? Oh, God. Alright, this shit pisses me off. 5. 400 times 500, that's like 200,000. Yeah. Okay, here we go. So we got 2 on, this is just 1932. And this is 4, 6, 8, carry the 1, 2, 3, 30, let's see, 2, 7, 5, carry the 1, 0, 40,572. 40,572. 35, how many zeros is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 300 times 400, that's like 120,000. There we go. Yeah, when I don't make mistakes, I get like straight familiarity. Wait, 6. Alright, let's see. Oh god, okay, let's see. 1 minus 44. 4 and 44. 11, remainder 3. Damn it. Oh, 110. God damn it. Oh, I gotta do this again. How do I do this one? Dang, what's What's the nearest? How do I do this one? 40. Was it 5? 6, 60, 48. 6 is what? 48. Remainder 4. 6 remainder 4. Estimate divide 800 divided by 20. 400 like 40. 100. Okay, 19. What's the trick for these? Um, divided by 20. $39. Oh. 40 is gonna be 50, 60, 42. Hold on. I'll go back. I want to see how they do these. I actually want to see. I'm not used to doing 40, 44. Let's see, 6, 3, 7, 6. Oh, that's too much. 6, 3, carry the 1. That's too much. 43. Minus 19, minus 19. 42, so that's 42. 38. 76, 8, 9. Okay. Oh, 42. Okay. I want to watch some of these videos actually.
Let's divide 9,815 by 65, or figure out how many times does 65 go into 9,815. And I encourage you to pause this video and try this on your own. So let me just rewrite this as 9,815 divided by 65. Divided by 65, and we write it this way because it's easier to manipulate the numbers, kind of doing the standard process here. And as we'll see, whenever we divide by a number that has more than one digit, there's a little bit of an art to it, and hopefully you'll get an appreciation for that art over the course of this video. So first we can think about, well, how many times does 65 go into 9? Well, it doesn't go into 9 at all, so we can move one digit to the right. How many times does it go into 98 without going over it? Well, 65 times 1 is 65, so that doesn't go over it. And 65 times 2, well, that would be 130, so that would go over 198, so it only goes one time. It only goes one time. We multiply 1 times 65, which is 65, and then we can subtract to see how much we have left over. So 8 minus 5 is 3, and 9 minus 6 is 3, and now we can bring down the next digit, this 1 here. And now this is where the art is going to come into play, because we need to figure out how many times does 65 go into 331 without going over it. And you might just try to look at these numbers, try to approximate them a little bit. You might say, well, maybe 65, well, let me round this thing up. Maybe this is close to 70, and let's see, this is close to 300. So maybe we say, well, 70 would go into 300. So maybe we think about how many times does 70 go into 300, and we say without going over it, it doesn't go exactly into 300. Well, you can say, well, how many times does 7 go into 30? Well, we know 7 goes into 30 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. So maybe try a 4 right over here, because then this will be 280. 4 times 70 is 280. You're still going to have a little bit left over, but what you have left over is going to be less than 70. It's going to be 20. So you say, well, if this is roughly 70, and if this is roughly 300, then maybe it's going to be the same thing. So let's try that out. Let's see if it goes 4 times. So 4 times 5 is 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 2 is 26. And let's see how much we had left over. So when you subtract, we are left with, this is in a new color, 1 minus 0 is 1. We have a 3 here and a 6 here, so we're going to have to do a little regrouping. Let's take 100 from the hundreds place, becomes 200. Give those 10 tens, that 100, to the tens place, so now we have 13 tens. 13 minus 6 is 7, and then 2 minus 2 is 1. So did this work out? Well, no, our remainder, after we said it went in 4 times, we actually had 71 left over. 71, this right over here, is larger than 65. You don't want a situation where what you have left over is larger than what you were trying to divide into the number. You could have gone into it one more time, and because you had so much left over. So this 4 was actually too low. We should have probably approximated this as 60, and 60 goes into 300 if we were to estimate. We'd say, well, that might be closer to 5 times. So this is where the art of this comes into play. So it was very reasonable to do what I just did, but it just turned out to not be the right way to think about it. I could just say, well, 4 wasn't enough. I had too much left over. Let me try 5 now. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. There you go. We got much closer to 331 without going over. Now we can subtract. And once again, we can do a little regrouping. Take a 10 from the tens place. This becomes 2 tens. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we only have 6 left over, which is obviously less than 65, so we're all good. And if we put a 6 here, and we would have gone over 331, and so that wouldn't have been cool either. But anyway, let's bring down the next digit. Let's bring down the 5. So how many times does 65 go into 65? Well, it goes 1 time. 1 times 65, we can ignore this, that's from a previous step. 1 times 65 is 65, and then you subtract, and we have no remainder. No remainder. So we see that 65 goes into 9,815, exactly 150, let me just write that in that same blue color, 100, and I don't want to do all these arbitrary colors, 151 times. 151 times.
Okay. There is no easier way. Oh my gosh. All right. Ooh, this one. 32.
In this video, we're going to get a little bit of practice dividing by a 2-digit number. So let's say that we have 4,781 divided by 32. Pause this video and see if you can figure out what that's going to be. And if there is a remainder, figure out what that remainder is going to be. All right, now let's work on this together. So first let me rewrite 4,781, and this is going to be divided by 32. Now, whenever we divide by anything that has more than 1 digit, it's a little bit of an art. The way we're going to tackle it is a little trial and error using estimation. So we'll start by saying, hey, how many times does 32 go into 4? Well, 32 doesn't go into 4 at all. So then we'll move on. How many times does 32 go into 47? Well, it's pretty clear that 32 goes 1 time into 47. So I'll put the 1 right over there above the 7 in 47. And if you're saying, hey, how did Sal know that? Well, just remember, 2 times 32 would be 64. That's more than 47. So 32 goes into 47 1 time. Now we multiply 1 times 32.
All right, that's not helping me. We'll do this one more time. Let's go. 42. There you go. 5, 6 times. 2 times 6. 4 carry the 5. 6 times. 20. 64 divided by 30. 200. Oh, 20. 200. Dang, bro. Okay, I can do long division in this one. 70. 9, 5, 4. That's 1. 70. 25. 3 times. 2, 1. 0. This is 4. 44. 13, remainder 44. There we go. Oh, gotta do it again. Dang, dude. Eight times? I think it goes in here 8 times. 2, 3, 12. 26. 8 times remainder 13. Okay, this goes in here twice. 62. 203. 6 minus 180. This is 14. 4 times. So 120. 4. 19. 264, remainder 19. Alright, cool. It's been an hour. I should sleep soon. Thankfully, I showered. I just have to brush my teeth. I think I'll keep going. Estimate. $3,000 divided by 30. 300. 100. Divide. Here goes another ones. 45. 0. And then 40. 90. 8 times. 36. Oh, no. 19 remainder 0. Oh god, I gotta do this shit. Here we go. Okay, 46. So 5,000 divided by 20 is like 500. 250. Estimate 20. $7,000 divided by 10. 700. There we go. Unit test time. 3,600. 30 times 20. So 150 times 20. 3,000. 30,000. Oh. Shit. 19 remainder 0. 70. Standard algorithm. So 1, 4, 8, carry the 2. 24. Carry the 2. What the hell is this? This one. 12. Okay, we got 23, 230. 5. Okay, here we go. 6. Okay, 3, 21. 12, 14. 2. Carry the 1. 5. 4, 6, 3, 9, 59, 36. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm 2. So we got 6. Carry the 3, 8. Oh. So 12 plus 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 13. There we go. We got 12. Carry the 1. 5. 5,000. Okay, so we got 5,007. 5, 8, 7, 6. 5, 8, 7, 6. Using the standard algorithm. Well, it's not this. It's this. Carry the 2, 15. Carry the 1. Oh my god. One, carry the 8. 17, carry the 1. 72. Plus 1 is 73. 0. 7, carry the 2. 5. 24. 1, 4, carry the 1. 9, 1. 31941. 72. About that. 700,000. This one. Oh, this one. Shoot. Okay, I can take the unit test again. Dang, this is taking a while. 4. Sure. 2, 7, 8, 2, 1, 3. 6, 4, carry the 2, 3, carry the 2, 8, and then 2, 8, 7, 2, 6, 1, 6, carry the 1, 36, 116, 166. It's like 500 times 500. Okay, here we go. 62. Goes in there one time. 62. 1 and 2. 7. Say 3 times. 186. 131. 5 times. 135 to 0. 11. Shoot. Oh, no, that'd be 132. Doing this shit too fast. So, 130 times is 130. 120. 117. So 9 times? So I carry the 2. 117. 9 remainder. 6. 80. 1,000. 9,000 divided by 30. So 3,300. Okay, so it's 0. 150 is 6 times. 275. How many times is that? It's 25. Oops, jumped the gun. 611. What? 61. Shoot, what? Remainder 5. Dang, okay, I'm god damn it. Times 6 is 150. This makes 27. 25. Oh, that's 7. 25. 61. Okay. What? Jeez, okay. Need more space. 25 divided by 1, 6, 7, 5, 6, 150. Oh, it's 7. Wait, what? Oh, it's 17. Damn it. This is 767. Damn, I'm just sucking so bad right now. Ooh, just gotta do it one more time. $48, and then I got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 64, so 32. So 320. 30. 300 times. 175. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it. 175 times 6. 0, carry the 3. 45, carry the 4. Say 2 minus 20, 28. 11 259 10 4 9 10 56 Oh my god. Oh shoot. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. I'm laughing my ass off. Okay, 48. 32. So we got 6, 2, carry the 1, 2, carry the 2. We got 4, 8, 4. So then we got 6, 8, 0, 5, 5, 155, 086. Shit. 6, 066. Okay. 8 remainder 3. It's not B. 70 times 4 zeros. Divide. Twice in there, 70. 24. 6 times. This is what, 35, oh, 27. Zero, 9, 8, 126, 0, 5, carry the 1, 3150. Fuck. So that makes 0, 9, 4, 4, 1, 4, 4, 9, 0. 5 times 105. 13. 513. Oh my god. Yeah, do it one more time. Oh, you know what? I wonder if they're gonna offer me a mastery. Mastery challenge. How many is gonna be? 449. So 24006. This is gonna be 8,000. 2 times 63. So this is gonna be 2, carry the 1. 0, 48. 6, 2, 1, 4, 0, 5, 504, 126. 7, 9.5. Hate this shit. We never do this in real life, but it's good to have as a skill. 31, 8, 39, 0, 7, carry the 2, 56, 86, it's just what you think you're gonna take our fucking 5, 956, 485. Dude, I'm gonna do this by freaking hand. Oh my god. This is pissing me off. Like, with an actual piece of paper. Oh my god, dude. Alright, I'm doing this off screen, guys. 7, 9, 6, 3, 95. 5, carry the 1. 1, carry 3, 45, 6, 45, 35, 39. Has 0 right here. Okay, 7, carry the 2. 54, 6, carry the 5. 86, carry the 8. 63. 5, 8, 2, carry the 1. 6, carry the 1. 5. Okay. 285, god damn it. I could just do 7, 9, 6, 3, 0 minus 39,615. 5, 8, 5, 12, 6, 6, 15, 6, 5. Oh. How'd I get 9? Dang, okay. 7, 5, 6, 6, 8, 5. Shit. Alright. I gotta slow down. I'm doing this off screen. By hand. 7, 9, 6, 3 times 95. Oh. Oh my god, yeah, I'm doing this way too fast. 1, carry the 3, 8, carry the 4, 35, 7, carry the 2, 54, 6, 5, 86, carry the 8, 40, 63, 71, 5, 8, 4, carry 1, 6, 5. I was off by 200. 7, 5, 6, 4, 8, 5. God damn it. Okay, this is 7 tenths. How much taller is the tallest conifer than the shortest conifer? 6 1/4. 3 1/4. Oh shoot. Nice. Let's go. Yeah, I'm level 11. Okay. I know I said. Oh. That didn't really help me that much. 9, remainder 0. 16. 3 zeros. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. All right. All right. Just had to take a restroom break. Back now. Okay, I'm gonna do this off screen again. And I know you guys can say, "Oh, Kevin's cheating." I'm not cheating. I have my worksheet right here. 7320. 7320 times 48. 25, 35, 0, 8, 2, 1, 29, 6, 3, 8, 2, 3. Got it. 328, 360. Damn. Oh, typed it in wrong. 328, 360. Oh. Alright, I messed something up. Let's do this again. 20, 48. Going too fast. 0. 16, carry the 1. 5, carry the 2. 7 times 8 is 56. Plus 2 is 58. 2 times 8, 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. Okay, I was wrong initially. 351, 360. 8. That's 2. I'll do this by hand as well. I'm doing this off screen. 965 by 2, 6, 8, 8. Twice. 80. 192. 6. 76. 7 times. 27 minus 75. Damn. Fuck it. $288. Yes. $27. Yeah, what the fuck? Alright, what am I doing wrong? 670. Oh, I got. Oh. Oh. The multiplication was off. It's 27. Dang. Okay, I'm not gonna say I'm meeting my match, but okay. I gotta do these way slower. So this could be like 1500 times 40. 60. $18 to 840. 3500. Okay, 780. I'm doing this off screen as well. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. Carry the 1. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 1, 17. Carry the 1. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, 15. Alright, next. 8 times 7 is 56. Carry the 5. 7 times 7 is 49. 44. 56. 0, 60. 7 times 7 is 49. 55. 6, 1, carry the 1. 2, carry the 1. 6. 6. 566, 216. God damn it, bro. Okay, I'm expanding this out. 78 times 2, 78. 78 times 70. So we got 6, carry the 1, 5, carry the 1, 7, carry the 1, 15. Okay. Then we got 56. 5. 49 plus 5 is 44. Zero, 56, 49, 55, 6, 5, 7, 5, 1, 6, 5, 3, 0, 2. 6. Oh, 520. I added this shit wrong. Six. 6. 6. All right, 70 times 7, 7, 8 times 72. 6, carry the 1. 15, carry the 1. 7, carry the 1. Okay. 56. Carry the 5. 49 plus 5. 49 plus 5 is 54. Carry the 5. 56. Carry the 6. 49 plus 6 is 55. 6, 1, carry the 1. 2, carry the 1. 7. 6. Okay, this better be the answer. I was off. 2 and 6. Oh shit! Oh no, that's not good. Let's go. Okay, 0. 8, 8. 6 carry the 1. Okay, doing this off screen as well. Just gotta 42, 34, 59, 6 carry the 3, 0 carry the 3, 2, 38, 0 carry the 2, 7 carry the 1, 1 carry the 1, 21, 6, 0, 8, 9, 4, 2, 4, 9, 806. 806. God, I hate doing this shit by hand. This is pissing me off actually. Oh man, 69, 73 times 62. 6, 4, carry the 1, 9, carry the 1, 3, 0, 8, carry the 1, 3, carry the 4, 8, carry the 5, 36 plus 5 is 41. 6, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 6. 4, 3, 2, 3, 2, 6. Okay, this is gonna be 1, 9, 3, 2 times 21. 1, 9, 3, 2. This is 4, 6, 8, carry the 1, 3, 2, 7, 5, 0, 4. 40,572. 40,572. Okay, it's damn unit test now. God. 16. this one. Let's see. Four. Maybe 50? Oh my god, I gotta stop doing this shit in my head. New page. 3,050. Oh, dang, 40. Five remainder 13. Eight 34. 11,259. 42. 1. 8,000. 8,000 divided by 40. 2,200. Shit. Um. 740. 37. Okay. 6, 7, 5, 6. 67. Okay, 43. 6, 3, 3, 8. 1 minus 43 equals 4 times? Can't be 5 times. 160, 172. 9 times. 7 times. 147. 47. Remainder 17. 70 into 13, remainder 44. Okay. Oh man, this is gonna be the death of me. Oh man, oh man, oh man. I'm gonna add. It's 2. 72. This one. Didn't I do this one already? 742. Alright, let's do it. 6,742 times 23. 6, 2 carry the 1, 2 carry the 2, 20,000, 0, 4, 8, 4 carry the 1, 6, 6, 0, 5, 5, 55, 66, 40, 8,000 divided by 40, 2,200, 600 times 200, 12 with 4 zeros. There we go. 4 times 13 to 98. 4 times 2 cubed 1. It can't be 5 times. 13. Damn it. Can it be 6 times? 6 remainder 0. Shit. Seven. 13 times 7. 7. 7 remainder 7. Damn it. That's what I get for guessing. It's divided by 9. 31. 31 divided by 19. 9. I swear to God. 19. Damn it. 4 times? 17 times 4. 82, 16. 17 times 5. 5 remainder 2. 10. Oh, shit. Oh my god. This is my weakest one. This is my weakest unit yet. 56, 7, 56. Past 71. 0. Into 94, 92. 4 times. 478 remainder 12. Fuck. Damn, what the fuck? Oh shit. 74. Oh my god, just stupid mistakes. Oh my god. 90. 34. Under 0. 110 remainder 3. Shit, what did I just type? Okay. 96. 26. 88. Another twice. 192. 6. 6 times 7. 28 remainder 0. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, I'm spending so much time on this unit, it's ridiculous. Four. Five remainder 2. 5 remainder 2. Let's see. 81 plus 3 zeros. 600 divided by 30. It's like 20, 80, 6. Okay, I could do this. I could do this. 96 into 2,688. Twice. 6 times 2. $63. $28 remainder 0. Okay, I did this one earlier. Okay, this one 25, did this one too. Just do it again. Yeah, let's do it again. It's 25. 6, 7, 5. Okay, so 25 goes into 167. 6 times minus 150 is 270. No, 170. 175. 67, no remainder. It's like 5 with 4 zeros. That's about it. Oh, finally. Alright, I want to do one more unit, then I'm gonna go to bed because I have to get up early-ish. That was brutal. That was really brutal. Oh my god. Okay, it's just fractions. Fractions are next. Let's go. 24, 6. Less than that. This times 1. Where's 2/3 of 5? 10/3. 10/3, so it's 3 and a third. Uh, 10. Yeah, I know that was, yeah, fractions are easy. 6. So it's gonna be 6. 6 over 5, so that's 7 and a fifth. What is half of 3/7? How can we describe the area of the striped rectangle? It is 4/10 of 2/3. 2/3 of 4. No. This whole thing is 1. Okay, this can be a mixed number. 6, 8. 32, 15. 2 and 2/15. Use the number line below to solve the multiplication problem. What is 3/8 of a 4th? 3/32. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Let's do this one. What's the area of a square with 2.5 centimeters, 2.5 centimeter side lengths? So 2 times, so it's gonna be 5 halves times 5 halves, 25 fourths, which means 6 1/4. 6 1/4. Dolphins in the San Diego Zoo eat 3 1/8 buckets of fish each day. Killer whale eats 2 3/5 times as much. So it's gonna be 25 eighths times 13 fifths, 40. Then we got 75, 250 plus 75. 5, 2 carry the 1, 3, 2, 5, 8. So that's 8, 5 40ths, 8 and an 1/8 buckets. Here's a square. Find the area of the square. So let's call it 5 times 5. There's 25 ninths. So that's 2 and 7 ninths. 2 and 7 ninths. Talia spent 3/4 of this week's on this candy. Of the money she spent, 5/6 went gummy bears. 15 24ths. 5 eighths. I remember my sister back in the day had like major math problems, and my mom got her a book from the library to help her. And then there's this one problem she had similar to like this unit where she couldn't figure it out, and then I took a look at it, and like after a minute I was like, oh, I got it. And I was like, dang, I didn't realize like how bad my sister was at math until that. Which makes me wonder why she went into like business admin, because it's just accounting. But yeah, now she's doing something she really likes. 3 unit. What's the area of the striped rectangle? Half. 1.5. Alright, this unit's easy as hell. So 5/4. So 3 1/3. Where's 1? Okay, there's 1. Shaded length. So 5/4. Yeah. How will the product of 16 times 1 compare to? It'll be equal because 1 to perfection is equal to 1. Yep. 5 square units have 2/3 of their area shaded. What's 2/3 of 5? 10. 3 1/3. Here's a rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. 7 eighths. Okay, this is gonna be 7/4 times half. 7/8 meters squared. 7 8. Natasha spent 1.5 hours on the beach. She fell asleep for 2/3 of the time she was on the beach. She woke up with a terrible sunburn. Dang, Natasha. 3 times 3/4, 9/8. So if it's 9/8, 1/8. Let's see, 6. So 11 times 7, 6, 42, 66, 42, 66, which is also 7 lemons. Yeah, divide by 6, 7 lemons. Oh, I did this one already. 25 eighths times 13 fifths. So we got denominator is 40. 250 plus 70. I know I just did this one. 5, 2 carry the 1. 325. 8 and 1/8 bucket. Okay. So the light shaded area is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So 9/10 times 6/9. Dang, I never learned it like this. It's this one. Yeah. Yeah. If I see that again, I'm probably not gonna get it. If I'm being honest. 24 sevenths times 2. 48 sevenths. To simplify this. 6. That's it. 6 and 6/7. 6 and 6/7. Let's see. 15 is 3. 6, 9, 12. Ooh, okay. Nice. Okay. Notice the speed in which I did that. That was ridiculous. Okay. Baculi. What is this? Fractions is division. Okay, this is pretty easy too. You just multiply it by the reciprocal. Nine divided by 4. Nell wants to use the multiplication to solve. You multiply the reciprocal. M equals yeah, you multiply both sides by. Oh shit. Wow, I can't believe I got that wrong. Oh my god. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, I get it now. What equation shows the same relationship as? Shit, I gotta do that again. I get it now, but yeah, that's really punishing. Oh my god, 2 hours 20 minutes. I gotta go to sleep soon. Okay, I want to finish this actually. 1 W times a fifth. Yeah, got it now. 54 twelfths. 5 1/3. No. 4 1/2. Easy. Oh, 4 people share 5 kilograms of coffee. Damn it, dude. Okay, M times 8. Gotta do it one more time. It's easy though. This is easy. 2 sevens. A3, 3A. Shit! Oh my god. Seven. Okay, one more time. I can do it. I got this. Divide each side by 4. Tenths. C times a fourth. Okay, there we go. I got this. 27. I'm just multiplying by the reciprocal. Half. 1/6 divided by 3. points. Oh, no. 136. 20. 1/20th. A fifth of 2. No, it's half of a fifth. Half of a fifth. Yeah. Okay, this shit's easy. 3.5. 1.5 rooms. Oh, 6. Damn it. Gotta do this again. They decide to paint some of her rooms at 51. A hotel. She needs a 30. Rooms. $20. 16. I don't know. Amos is painting in pots. He needs a fourth of a liter to paint all 4 pots. 1. He needs a fourth of a liter to paint all 4 pots. Wait, what the fuck? He needs a fourth of a liter to paint all 4 of them. Oh, 1/16. Priscilla has some grapes that she wants to give her friends. She wants to give a fourth of a kilogram to grapes to each friend. 24. Damn. I got this. I got it. Either 24th. She doesn't have 6th bottle of water. She wants to share with 2 friends. Damn. 1/12th. What? Each has a 1/6 of a bottle of water. She wants to share equally among herself and 2 friends. 1. 18th. Lisa has a third of an hour to read and watch television. She wants to split her time equally between the 2 activities. Matt is filling containers of rice. Each container holds a fourth of a kilogram of rice. If Matt has 7 kilograms of rice, how many containers can he fill? 28. Joe has half a bag of peanuts. He wants to share them among himself and 3 friends. 1/8. Damn it, bro. Okay, I got it. I got this. Share them himself and 3 friends. 1/8. Matt is filling containers of rice each container. 28. Tommy will spend a fifth of his time this weekend studying for his 4 final exams. What fraction of the weekend will he spend studying on each of his 4 exams if he spends the same time? 1/20th? Bethany has some coffee that she wants to give to her friends. She wants to give half a liter of coffee to each friend. She has 6 coffee. How many friends can she share a coffee with? 12. Jason has a third of a liter of milk. Jason divides the milk equally into 4 mugs of tea. How much will Jason have in each mug? 12. Oh, shoot. Damn it. Fuck. Oh my god, if I didn't get that last one wrong. I got this. One eighth. Dude, oh my god, I gotta do it again. Get 280 energy. I'm getting a lot of energy from doing these retests. 1/16. Sally's been measuring a flower for science project. The flower has grown half a centimeter each day and grown 2 centimeters. How many days has Sally been measuring this flower? It started from 0 to 4 days. Bailey has 1/4 of a kilogram of trail mix. I should have reported that problem. That's actually not true because a flower starts off as a sprout and at 0 there is no flower, so Billy has 1/4 of a kilogram of trail mix. He wants to share it with himself and his brother. They both get 1/8 of a kilogram. There we go, unit test. Here we go. Okay, last thing for tonight. Tom, Kristen, Kelly, and Bill bought 3 granola bars to share among themselves. What's the equation? 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's 3 of them. Joe has half a bag of peanuts. He wants to share them among himself and 3 friends. They both get 1/8 of a bag. Drag to show. Shows half of 2. Nope. Nope. Oh, half divided by 2. Half divided by 2. If one is divided into pieces that are each 1/5 of a whole, how many pieces are there? 5. Which equation shows the same relationship as half equals to 3 times 6? So it could be one of these 2. Divided by 3. Wait, that's 18. This one? Shit, this one. Oh my god. Oh shit, I gotta do this again. Oh, 28. Damn, I gotta do this again. 1 times 1/9. 1 divided. Oh no, 9, 9, 9, 9. This is 15th. One more time. I got this. I got this. I got this. Okay, I got this. 4. Divided by 4. 128. 6. No, 30. Jason has a third mug. Jason divided 4 mugs. 5 friends will equally share 3 jars of honey. They can get 3/5 of a jar. 5 friends. 1/6. A third of 2. A third divided by 2. 3/4. 6t equals a fourth. 6 times t equals a fourth. 10. Okay, I'm curious to know what the next unit is. What's this? Multiply decimals. I want to preview this real quick. 1.62. 0.86. This one. Shit. It's 0.4. That's 100. 72. 32. 32 plus 160. Shit. 2, 3, 192. Damn it. $14. 320. 320. 11.2. 0.6. More of this shit. Okay. I'm doing this off screen. 43. 130.14. $230. Damn, that was pathetic. Alright. Wait, I want to end this stream on a good note. I think I can get this. 9. 12. 763 to 8.6. 13.3. No, 1.3. There we go. I want to complete all that. Should really learn bigger times tables. This is 48.48. 154. Oh, damn it. 9.8. Okay, at least I got mastery. Cool. Let's see where I am right now. 33. It's a lot of skills. So according to my calculations, let's go to my Google Sheet. And I'm gonna write towards write to Khan Academy to allow people to see their freaking total level, because I would love to know that. Khan Academy level. Let's make a new spreadsheet. Khan Academy. Okay, so here's how I do this. So we're gonna do the sequence. Let's do 100, one column, one, step one. There we go. So if I'm at level, zoom in just a little bit. If I'm at level 33 with 12, I would go 32, 528. So I have 528 plus 12, 540 right now. So that is 823. So 540. Yeah. If I keep going. Yeah, so this is the progress that I'm making. So I'm right here. I'm like, oh, I have an idea. Equals this plus this. Yes, please. Oh, no. Equals, that's not what I want to do. Equals sum of this to A. Oh, no. To A1 and then, no, that's wrong. Is that gonna work? No, A1 to, no, A1, there you go. So A1 stays, there you go. Alright. There you go. Oh! So 495, that's gonna hit, okay. So you could label this as level skill, number of skills. This makes it a little nicer. Freeze this. 0. Okay, so Khan Academy leveling. So I'm right here, 528. So yeah, it is like a linear scale. I want to see. So percent progress. Let's call this. What do I do? There you go. So this divided by 4950. Then make this a little bit nicer. Shit. No. So right now, I'm like 10%, a little over. Oh, yesterday. What was my last thing? My last one was 33. Oh, no. So, make this. Oops. Just want to brand it a little bit better. Shit, no, it's made it smaller. 40. Okay, so I'm 10% of the way there. And yeah, like I said, in like 10 weeks, if I keep going in this path, I will definitely hit Maelstrom by the end of October. So yeah, that's what I want to do. Just gotta keep it consistent, keep grinding. But yeah, I think, I don't know, it might take a little bit longer than that. Maybe I'll need up until November, because things are just gonna get more difficult. I want to see what other skills there are. Unfortunately, there's no Spanish, but let's see. When it comes to math, let's see what math skills there are. And okay, I know some of these already. 8th grade math, arithmetic, pre-algebra. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep accumulating skills. So science, maybe I'll do a science stream. SAT math. Oh, these are like completely. These are unique skills. I wonder if is there GED prep? Okay, there's no GED prep. That's alright. Science. These are new. Con. Maybe I'll have to go into coding. Okay, I can't do any of these get ready courses. Ancient art? Oh, this doesn't offer any mastery. Sorry. Maybe I'll check it out for fun sometime. Maybe I'll do like a review series of the courses. Oh, this is software mastery. Oh, no, get out of here. SAT math, financial literacy. Oh, nice. This might be more useful. Alright, cool. Oh, I just realized I was looking at that. Yeah, so I was just looking at courses. Forgot that I wasn't looking at the stream. I really need to have 2 monitors up when I do this. This is ridiculous. But yeah. I am equals 540 divided by 490. 10.91% of the way there. Yeah, and like I said, a financial literacy course that has all new skills. So yeah, growth mindset. Yeah, these are cool, but yeah, I really just want to get ones with skills. Careers. So I have 5 equals 450 minus 540. 4,410 more skills to go. So yeah, we'll see. Alright, that ends my stream for today. Yeah, I streamed way longer than what I wanted to, but yeah, that long division and that multiple digit multiplication totally threw me off. So yeah, but yeah, maybe I'll move back onto reading, but math super easy to make progress on. So maybe November I'll hit Maelstrom. Next week I'll have a lot more time to stream since I'm not called into my other temp jobs. So yeah, that concludes the stream. I'll see you guys on the next one.